This is my review of the Rad Power Tricycle. I had looked at a lot of different models for electric tricycles. I'm a senior citizen, so I had certain requirements. This looks like the best from the reviews I've seen and from the videos I've seen, so I decided to order it. First thing I noticed, this is as an aside, the packing is fantastic. They designed the box so that you can pull a few tabs, the box lifts up, the top lifts off, and inside every single piece is packaged so that it's safe, clean, and well protected. So very impressed with that. I guess they have some kind of box design software now. Anyway, here's a video of me unboxing it. The video shows me assembling it. This is the first few Allen wrench screws I'm putting in to connect the two halves. It goes together easily, though I find it's kind of awkward to use the Allen wrenches because you're in cramped spaces sometimes and you can't make a full turn, like when putting the wheels, mud guards and the fenders on. Sometimes because of the center axle you can only turn 3/4 of a turn each time, so it slows you down. But all in all, I thought it would take about 3 hours. It took me 4 hours because I'm a senior, kind of slow. And you know, it's pretty handy. I expect they could do it in 2 or 3 hours. I brought extra things for it, like a lock and a chain. I noticed they included a toolkit which packs in nicely to a little black case, and you can carry it around with you in case you need to make on-the-road repairs. The seat is adjustable. Cargo area could use a big basket, so I bought one that's black and yellow for good visibility and attached it onto the back. I might get a front basket too. Anyway, here I am all done. Really enjoyed the bike. I was surprised at how powerful it is. I thought settings from 0 to 5 for pedal assist, that I would use 5 most of the time, but 5 goes way too fast, so I put it on 3, and that's quite adequate for my comfort level of speed. There's lots of power. I can see myself doing a lot of going to stores and events and stuff with this because I'm in a relatively small town. Everything's within 5 miles, so it'll be fun. Looking forward to it. Thanks for your help.